Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 270. Ooh, excuse me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Help me out if you enjoy these. If you don't, anyway, give it to your enemies. I don't know. It's December 4th. Come join me on Discord if you want to chat about contest problems in general. There are a lot of smart people there, so someone will kind of love. There are a lot of nerds, and I say that lovingly. So we're all talking about these problems. Okay, but I will have a video for each problem. So if you have any confusion, check out the description below to check that out. And yeah, we have 6 seconds to go. Go, go, go. Wish me good luck. Let's get started. Should have warmed up maybe, but oh well. Let's go. Loading is. Come on, friends. Do. Find 3-digit even numbers. Okay. I have some ideas in my head, but as you can see, this is still loading. That is unacceptable. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay. It doesn't really matter, but. Okay. This have to be 3 digits exactly. Okay. I just sort it. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Maybe we don't have to, but it's fine either way. We're doing way too many things. Oh, I have to do. Oh, even numbers. Okay. Whoops. Okay, that looks roughly right. But I don't want to get a penalty on something silly. Yeah, it looks okay. Let's give it some. Why is it taking so long? If I get a time limit exceeded, that'll be really sad actually. Okay. So I think you're supposed to use the 2-pointer turtle thing, but I'm not going to. Let's see. N02. Oh, N is meaningful. Oops. I just remove it. Whatever. Okay, good. Binary tree and nodes. Okay. Start T, shortest path from S to T. They're unique, I suppose. Okay. Okay. How do I want to do it? Doesn't have to go through the root. I think that's the trickiest part. Okay, so let's see. Do they all have to be in there? Okay, let's see. How do I want to do it? I'm going to cheat. Okay, so I think this connects all the things. So now we have to find a node. I know it doesn't really matter as much, but I don't know which order I should do it, but I want to make sure that doesn't give me any other. Okay. And then now we do something like okay, fine. Always forget. Okay, so if code Oops, this isn't, I mean, this is right, but I need to do a little bit more. This is so prone to silly mistakes, to be honest. I guess this backwards though a bit. Do they have to be different? Yeah, they have to be different. It looks okay. Hopefully this is good. Okay, good. That was a yikes, but let's go. Focus, focus. Say what? Pairs of eyes start and if every eye we have ends of eyes equal to starts of eye. What does that mean? So it isn't put pairs. Oh, just like this is the Eulerian. This is annoying. Two pairs are exactly the same. I have to look this up. I mean, this is Eulerian path. Is there an easy way? No, I mean, I don't think so. But this is awkward, right? Because you can. This is an annoying problem to solve. Or like just not really interesting either. Just point it out just to make sure. I have to look this up. I don't remember that. I mean, I know the idea about this algorithm, but I don't. Yeah, it's just Eulerian path. So, I mean, there's a couple of different implementation. I have it somewhere as well, but it's just silly for me to. This is going to be y square, which is probably too slow. I have this implemented somewhere. This is such a silly problem. This would never be on an interview. And even then, like, what's the point? Because basically you just keep on finding cycles things. This is like if you have it implemented or not, and people haven't done it yet because this is just, it never comes up. Oh, that's not true maybe, but I have this implemented somewhere, but I can't find my code. Or at least maybe that's not true, but I don't have a linear time one. So I'm just Googling it. Basically you just find cycles and then you kind of go into it. Oh yeah, if they're odd, we want to do something. Oh dear. I might not know how to do it, to be honest, but this is such a silly, stupid problem. It's just like, hey, do you know this thing? And to be honest, I don't know that I do, I guess. I mean, I know enough to know to look for it, but, and the code is probably not that bad, but I just don't have it ready. Let's create adjacency list, actually. Set. That's not true. Yeah, actually, I guess that's true because there's no two pairs. I don't know if that makes it easier or not. I mean, wouldn't make it harder, but I don't know. I'm surprised no one solved it yet because I imagine, okay, someone solved it now. But I imagine the top people have it. I don't have this implementation. I think I had one that's n square, but it's not. This n can be pretty big. Yeah, people got this, but apparently I have written an article about this in the past. That means that we can choose anything, so just choose doesn't really matter. Yes, that's unfortunate actually. I guess that references that. I forget how to do it. How do I do this in a good way? Oh, you wanted to update this though. That's the point. No, I think that's fine. Actually. I don't even know when this is happening. I don't know if this is right either. It's right for these. I don't know if this is going to time out. Like, I don't know why I need this. Oh, I see. Because it may get deleted in the future in the stack. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to solve this that quickly anyway, so let's Does it have to be in this order? Huh. Oh, it's directed actually. Okay, so I'm wrong here. Yeah, I actually misread this one. X has to go to Y. Yeah, then this doesn't happen. That's not good. Oh, because I don't start correctly anymore, maybe. Because now this is directed. What we want is an odd number of out degrees. Where do we start again? We start the only one. There should only be one where there's no in degree, right? So okay. Nope. I misread this one a little bit. If in degree. Otherwise, then it doesn't really matter which one you start. That's not true. It has to be, well, if there cannot be multiple with this, and there has to be at least one with this. I think we're okay here. Degree not found. I think we don't have to care about n. Actually, we don't use it anyway. Well, that's not the answer. Also, this is not even the input. Did I mess up the in degree? Out degree? In degree of y degree. Oh, because this only looks at the keys. So what we actually want is okay. Edges are wrong. Why are my edges wrong? Why am I doing things backwards? Oh, because I'm constructing my path backwards. So actually what we want is looking at it backwards. Okay, so now I think we're right, but are we? I don't know if this may time limit exceeded, but that's fine. As long as we don't get a wrong answer, then we can think about optimization maybe. I think this may time limit exceeded anyway. Which is unfortunate because it looks like it's going to be time limit exceeded. Oh, okay, huh. That I did not expect. It may be this thing though. Let's see. Because that part I wasn't sure about, to be honest. So let's see. Okay, so they're both none. Because maybe it's not true that we can start from any spot. I actually don't remember that variation of it. That variation of directed Eulerian path. Okay, so that means that they're none with the in degree of 0. So then we should be able to start from anywhere, right? Let me just look it up. Path directed. Okay. I see. Okay, so you do need out degree. I actually don't know this one. I mean, I know how to look it up. I just didn't. Maybe I should have. But so this is if in degree is equal to out degree plus 1, is it, or the other way? Yeah, no, this is right. Okay, let's see again. Okay, so this is good except for this one. It's either that or all of them are in degree, and then in that case now it really doesn't matter. And then now I'm printing out from 489. What is the expected answer? The expected answer is still different though. That's unfortunate. Maybe they're multiple? No, that doesn't make sense, right? There should only be one case. Did I get this wrong? Well, my answer for the first one's wrong, so that, and I put 1 instead of, why? Oh, wait, no, out degree of 5 is 1, so out degree plus 1. Oh, I've mixed it up. I think this should be this. Whoops. 156. This is the same as this, right? Okay. And the other ones match. Yep. Okay. So let's remove some print statements. Maybe this one's, I don't know. We're very close to time limit exceeded, so let's not do that. Okay. Okay. Let's just print this. Okay, well that's unfortunate that this does not match that. Oh, it could be multiple answers actually, so because it may be cycles in the middle, so that's fine. And the last one's 489. Let's double check. Yep, the last one's 489. I think we're okay with that. So just want to double check. Still may get time limit exceeded, but let's give it a spin. Would suck to get time limit exceeded, but because I don't know what I would do. But we have like an hour, so maybe we could figure it out. This is such a silly problem though. It's a waste of, oh, memory limited. Huh. It's because we're creating lists here. How do I do this in a good way? I actually don't, without changing the list in a good way, because basically this recursion is taking too much space because we're creating a list every time, so it becomes non-linear. So that's why it's memory limited. How do we modify the list in a good way? What's it called? Without doing this, right? Did I click? I thought I clicked. How did I get around this? I don't know how to get around this, to be honest. How do I, without change? So I'm trying to do this without changing the set as well, which is not great. Yikes. I mean, I guess the way to do it is actually what do you want to do it? For everything we add a hash table? I guess so. True, right? If edges of u of v is true, then we do Wish there was they gave us the test case though. So it made one okay, that ran at least. Nothing changed, so okay. I mean, this is more of a YOLO, to be frank. And the server seems to have issues because I don't know if I submitted or not. And even just refreshing is giving me timing. I don't know if it's my computer or not though. Oh, there is the pending. I had a really good time on the first 3, it seems like, but the last problem is giving me fits, and I already have 10 minutes of penalty. So that's not going to be just time limit exceeded is a little bit rough. I wish they gave us like one thing for it because I don't know how to do it. And it may be that this is too slow, to be honest. But we only look at each edge once, so it should be okay. Maybe. I don't know. Is this any faster? I mean, we're just looking 2 lookup tables. I don't even think I can go that much faster without changing this algorithm. But this only this is slower even, right? I don't know if I know how to solve this one in fast time. I mean, this is a silly problem. It's either that or I need to change the language, to be honest. Maybe it's a Python thing. If this is a Python thing, I'll be really sad. Okay, let's what should I do? Let's give this a submit. And then oh, it accepted. This is a weird thing though. I don't know. And also I have like, was it 3 penalties? So that's I mean, but this is such a stupid problem, to be honest. And I don't mean that. I mean I try to be as respectful as I mean. I just mean that this is just a token problem. There's no way this is going to be an interview question. There's no. I mean, it's not even an interesting competitive problem. It's just about and you saw that I did like 3 ways of optimizing it. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I should have gotten an earlier time on that one just because so much of that is on penalties. And like I had a really good top first 3, right? I guess relatively. I don't know where I was, but it seems like I did pretty okay. And to be fair, 2 things, right? One is I think I got this one immediately, like in concept. But I would also say that all the top people got it in very quickly. I don't think anyone had issues with the idea, but it is like the implementation that's a little bit weird. And even like very good people have multiple, a good amount. So it's like a little bit luck. I don't know how much of it is Python versus whatever, but I don't know. I just feel like that's a really silly one. Like even though I got accepted, I wasn't sure that I got accepted. So yeah. Like when I submitted, I wasn't confident about it, right? I mean, and also like it looks exactly I wouldn't say exactly the same, but it's not that different from all the other ones. I think like we're just talking about some constants here. Like the time limit, maybe the memory limit exceeded. Maybe this one's my fault. This one I was just wrong. The memory limit maybe is my fault, but this time limit I'm not happy about. Oops, that wouldn't show you anyway. And also the server's having some issues, so I don't know. Like changing from here to what I had is not an interesting change, right? Like this is such a micro optimization. Maybe not. Maybe I'm missing some nuance with the complexity analysis. Because this can degenerate. Because yeah, I don't think that's wrong in that. I think this can degenerate into like an n squared type thing if you're not careful, and maybe I'm not careful here. Where that this actually makes it so that, because the guarantee for linear time, the guarantee you want is to make sure that each edge gets visited once, and this doesn't do that because you get to visit it more than once, but in doing the check, because it doesn't get removed. I don't know. It's such a weird problem, and I don't have experience in this one. So I mean, this is gonna fall just because I have so many penalty. We still have like 10 minutes of penalty or something. So yeah. So that's all I have for this one. I'm going to. Ooh, did I see douche? Yeah, see, still continue to fall. But that's fine. Also, so douche representing. I beat him a little bit on the first three, but not by that much. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, friends, thanks for the support again. It's another year. It was my birthday this week. You may not. I don't know. I don't like to celebrate it, and also I'm getting too old. So, so that's why I'm hiding this at the end of the video. But I just wanted to say thanks for your support. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, but that's fine. I just want to thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for humoring me. I don't know why I record these, and I don't know why you watch it, but I appreciate it. And if you're here, leave a comment in the below if you're listening to this spiel, so I could whatever. Anyway. Stay good, stay healthy. Hope y'all have a great rest of the weekend. To good mental health. Take care of yourself and try to take care of others if you're fortunate enough to be in an opportunity. Pray it forward. I'll see you later. Bye bye.